Kim, Omo, my kids are here after so long. She hugs Wine and Taeyong. Hi Wine, hi Tai. Nervous smile. Taeyong, Sia, wow, what a surprise. Mrs. Kim, yeah, I called her too. It is so long since we meet her. Smile. Taeyong, you did a great job. Mom smiles towards Sia. Mrs. Kim, come inside. Kids. Mrs. Kim leaves to see preparation for lunch. Sia hugs Tai. She was about to hug Ryan, but she ignores her and follows Mrs. Kim. Ryan, mom waits for me. Sia gives an embarrassing smile to Taeyong, and so does him, but he chuckles internally. They all were having a good family time with Sia and Taeyong talking about their college days. Meanwhile, Ryan was ignoring Sia, which was embarrassing her even more. Sia was cursing Seong and Nari by now internally for Ryan's behavior towards her. Time skip at dining table. Wine sat next to Taeyong while Sia was about to sit on the chair which was on other side of Taeyong. Wine shouts no. Everybody looks at her in shock, including Sia. Wine fake smile. I mean, that's a Seong place. You can sit on that empty chair which is next to mom. Mrs. Kim smiles. No, that's okay. Seong is not here anyways. Why? What if he comes? Mr. Kim, I don't think so. He will come. He said he has a lot of work in office, so she can sit there. Sia, it's okay, uncle. I will sit somewhere else. Awkward smile. Wine rolls her eyes at her. Time skip. Wine, Mrs. Kim and Sia were in living room. Meanwhile, Taeyong was with Mr. Kim in his room. Mrs. Kim was telling Taeyong's childhood stories to Wine. Just then, Seong, hello, pretty lady. Seong, she smiles widely. Seong's hug all three of them and takes a seat beside Sia, and they started talking about random things. Sia, wow, auntie, your ring is so beautiful. Mrs. Kim smiled. This was gifted by my mom to protect me against all evil forces. Sia, yeah, it's so beautiful. Just then something strikes in Wine's mind. Wine, wow, mom, you have ring and knife both to protect yourself from her. Seong eyes widen and he gulps that Wine is starting that topic. Mrs. Kim, knife, Wine, yes, just like you gifted one to me. Mrs. Kim, I gifted you a knife. A wine furrows her eyebrow. Yes, Seong bought it for me. Mrs. Kim, which knife, Seong? What is she talking about? Wine looks towards Seong. Yeah, tell her, Seong. Seong gulps again and gives a nervous smile. Both of them. He then looks towards his watch. Seong, oh, I should leave for office. I remember I have some work. Mrs. Kim, no, wait, glares. Wine, tell me everything. I think my bunny has done some mischief with you. Wine, he said, one of your maid committed suicide few years back and her spirit is seen once in a year by our family members on her death anniversary. Seong, yes, Dad, I'm coming. Mrs. Kim glares, no one is calling you. Sit quietly. Seong pours. Mrs. Kim, yes, dear, continues. Wine, so he gave me a knife and said to sleep by keeping it under my pillow because I am the new member of our family, so there is a high chance of me to see her spirit this year. Sia giggles even Mrs. Kim presses her lip together to control her laugh, glares at Seong who gives her a nervous smile and looks away to avoid her glare. Then she glares at Sia who plunges her mouth to stop her laughter. Then she looks at Mrs. Kim. Wine, Oma, you two wins. Mrs. Kim chuckles. Mrs. Kim, I'm sorry, Wine. Wine pours. Mrs. Kim tries to sound angry. Yeah, Seong, what is she saying? Seong, yeah, don't blame only me. Nari was involved too. Wine, I will kill her, Mrs. Kim. But why did you guys do it? Seong, something personal, mom. Let it be in between me and Nari. Wine glares. Yeah, do you guys know how much I have suffered and how many sleepless nights I have to gone through because of it, Seong? But you still enjoy all of them, is not it, Nona? Teasing smile. Wine tries to her blush and throws a cushion at him, but he tosses it away while chuckling. Mrs. Kim, kids these days. Maid, excuse me, ma'am, we need your help. Mrs. Kim, I'm coming. Excuse me, guys. Mrs. Kim leaves Sia. Even I have something to convey. Looks towards Seong. Seong, no, please, Sia, don't do this to us. Nona will surely kill me. And Nari, this time, Wine furrows her eyebrow. No, Sia, you speak, glaring at Seong. Seong gives pleading eyes to Sia, but she ignores him. Sia, Wine, I'm sorry. First of all, you remember that party in which I was clinching on Taeyong? Wine, yes, yeah, it was all planned by them. They told me to act like that to make you jealous so that you guys can come close. Wine covers her mouth with hand in shock. She immediately goes and hugs Sia. Wine, oh dear, I'm sorry for behaving so rude with you. I'm so sorry. Please accept my apology. Sia smiles. It's okay, Wine. If I were at your place, even I would have done something protective towards my husband. Wine looked towards Seong, but he was not there. But then she hears the sound of opening of main door. Seong, oh shit, he started running. Wine yells, stop, I will kill you first with my bare hands and then I will bury that Nari alive. She starts chasing Seong in garden. Seong spots Mrs. Kim and hides behind her. Seong, Oma, please save me from Nona. Mrs. Kim, while you can keep going and make sure to teach him a good lesson. Seung eyes widen while Wine smirks. Just then Wine's phone rings and she picks up the call. Seung hoops in relief. Wine, what, Nari? Are you okay? Hello, Nari, hello. Seung rushes to Wine. Seung worried. What happened, Nona? What happened to Nari? Tell me please, shaky voice.